Cache Giraffe can prevent users from continuing when the age information entered during verification does not meet the app's requirements. By the end, you'll know why age verification problems happen, what checks to review, and what steps to try before contacting support. The first thing to check is the information you entered during the sign-up or verification process. Age verification systems usually compare the details you provide with the information connected to your account. A mismatch can stop the process from completing. Start by opening Cache Giraffe and reviewing your account details. Check that your date of birth was entered correctly and that there are no typing mistakes. If the information is wrong, update it through the available account settings if the option is provided. Another common reason for verification problems is incomplete information. If the app asks for additional details, make sure every required field has been completed before trying again. You should also check your app version. An outdated version can sometimes cause account features or verification screens to work incorrectly. Update Cache Giraffe through your device's app store, then reopen the app and try the verification process again. If verification still does not work, avoid creating multiple accounts or repeatedly entering different information. Incorrect details can make the issue harder to resolve because your account information may no longer match the original records. The next step is contacting Cache Giraffe support through the official help option available in the app. Include a clear description of the problem, what step you reached, and any error message you see. This gives support the information needed to check the issue. Before contacting support, take a screenshot of the error if possible, and note the device you are using. These details can help identify whether the problem is related to your account, the app, or the verification process. The main points are simple. Check your account information carefully. Update the app before trying again. And contact support if the verification issue continues. If you are stuck on age verification, the practical next step is to review your entered details once more and retry the process after making sure everything matches correctly. Subscribe for more Cache Giraffe guides, app fixes, and step-by-step answers to common problems.